Hello everyone, this is Deveshwara from BeetleByte.com and today we have the Google Pixel 3a with us. This phone has already been unboxed for the review on our website, and now we have repackaged everything in so that we can give you that unboxing experience. Let's get started. So here's the box. As you can see, that's the Google logo, Pixel 3a written on the top. Google logo again, hashtag Team Pixel, the full image of a Pixel 3a. As you can see, it has a colored power button. The first thing you notice is the phone itself. We've got it in the white color. It looks really nice. Let's keep it aside for the moment and see what else comes in the box. So as you can see, that's a USB type A to type C converter. So you can basically use it for transferring data between your older Android phone and the newer one. A USB type C to type C cable. A pair of earphones, which we have kind of forgotten that they used to come with smartphones, and the power brick, which charges the phone at 18 watts. Now let's keep all this aside and have a look at the phone itself. So as you can see, this is the phone itself. Let's power it on. Oh, it's already powering on. And here's the USB type C port surrounded by the microphone and the speaker grill. That's the camera and the fingerprint scanner, which is placed quite on a right place. That's the 3.5mm headphone jack, which has again become a rarity in smartphones. Secondary microphone and the SIM card ejector tray. As you can see, the phone has already booted up, and let's just scroll through the UI, and you can see that the phone is running pretty smoothly. So that's pretty much it about the device, and if you like the video, do like it, comment on it and share it among your friends. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to read the full review on our website.